Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing a Deffkilla Wartrike from Games Workshop. But first of all, I want to say a huge thank you to my YouTube channel sponsors, Goblin Gaming. If you check the description box down below, you'll find a direct link to their web store, and every time you purchase something from this link, it greatly helps my YouTube channel by directly funding me. So please use the link in the description box below if you are purchasing anything from Goblin Gaming. Okay guys, so let's take a look around the box, and as you can see we have a beautiful painted miniature of the Deffkilla Wartrike from Games Workshop there. As we take a look around the back of the box, we can see we have different views of the Wartrike, and it's telling us all the different cool things on it, like the twin boomstick that one of the orcs is holding, the fuel mixing grot on the back of the box there. These miniatures just look wonderful. Okay, without further ado, we're going to unbox it and show you what's in the box. So let's open the box, shall we? So in the box we can see we have the manual, and these instruction manuals are so well put together, guys. As I mentioned the other day in the jet vehicle unboxing, they're just so good. It's really simple to follow, and as we turn to the back we can see we have all the stat lines for the Deffkilla Wartrike. We get a large base for the vehicle, and we get just one sprue, and as we can see the details on the actual parts look wonderful. Really nice details, guys. Okay, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to build the Wartrike off camera. We'll come back in a moment and we'll have a look at it all built. Okay, and as you can see, guys, I've got the trike all built, and I think it just looks badass. Just the way that Orc there's holding a shotgun out as if he's just about to blast a space marine in the face. I mean, it's just fantastic. I have to really tip my hat to the GW designers. They've really got amazing skills, and I'm just loving these new Orc releases. I really am. As regards to extras on the sprue, sorry for the clippity clappity, that's the dogs walking through the house. There's nothing really. There's a few fuel cans that you can dot around on the bike, but I didn't see the point in that. And there's one bare head. There's an option for the actual driver of the trike, and that's about it really. But I mean, who cares when the vehicle looks this good? It's a strong 9 out of 10 for me for this trike. Probably one of my favourites of the new Orc. It's so hard to pick though, guys, because they all look wonderful, but just everything about this trike just screams badass to me. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think of it in the comments field down below, and thank you very much for taking your time out of the day to watch this video. Oh, and don't forget to check links for Goblin Gaming in the description box below as well, and I'll catch you in the next video.